I think Mitt Romney's really out of touch with the average woman's health issues.
This is not the 1950s. Contraception is so important to women. It's about a woman being able to make decisions.
I don't remember anyone as extreme as Romney.
Cut off funding to Planned Parenthood?
I don't think Mitt Romney can even understand the mindset of someone who has to go to Planned Parenthood.
Planned Parenthood, we're going to get rid of that.
I think Romney would definitely drag us back.
Of the 3.2 million teenage women who use contraceptives, 53% rely on the pill, 16% rely on other hormonal methods, including the implant, injectable patch and ring, and 3% rely on IUD, intrauterine device.
Hi, my name is Tracy Ezio, and I own the Peppo Family Pharmacy. I am a pharmacist. I do feel that birth control has made a huge difference in the lives of women. No longer are they tied down at younger ages. I'm finding many more because of birth control. Many people are waiting much longer to have their children. They are able to plan their children, and I think without any doubt it's made a huge difference.
1 in 5 women in America use or have used Planned Parenthood services, much to the benefit of men also. But all over the country, conservative politicians try to outdo each other in calling for the destruction of Planned Parenthood. Do they really have no concern for the millions of women who rely on Planned Parenthood for basic health care? And yes, contraception is a basic health care.
And I wouldn't really have access to knowing how many doctor's offices would actually provide them for patients, but by and far I have never seen, we dispense an incredible amount of prescriptions. In fact, it's at a high. More and more and more I'm seeing. So I think as far as being effective, through the years I have heard of very few pregnancies or seen very few pregnancies from patients who have taken the pill. I think many children or many teens are afraid to talk to their parents about something like that, and I do think as a parent myself of 5 children, in their 20s, it's important to have a dialogue, but many families don't.
Stake for women in this election. Access to health care is on the line. Some states are saying that they will not participate in an expansion of Medicaid under the Affordable Health Care Act that would leave more women outside the safety net. And of course, Mr. Romney has promised to get rid of this altogether. We are already seeing the effects in Texas. Last year, Governor Perry slashed funding for women's health, resulting in more than 180,000 women losing access to preventative health care this year.
The idea that we're concerned about the government supporting free birth control for women is insulting. I think it is a distraction from the real conversation, which is that these economic policies over the last 3.5 years have been a failure.
I have been a pharmacist for almost 40 years, and I've seen a lot of changes, and I can remember the times when birth control pills cost $2.25. Now, without a prescription, they may cost up to $30 a prescription. And I'm sure that price, if someone didn't have insurance or didn't have funding, could make a huge difference. I think Planned Parenthood and giving them out has made a huge difference